How to get $150 Uber promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Uber promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can check any of these websites as all these websites will provide you promo codes for Uber. But for now, I'm going to open this one, see need coupons. With that, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can just scroll and check. $18 coupon, $15 coupon, 17% coupon, and many more. If you're interested in any of the deal to use it, all you have to do is click on it. So I'm going to use it this $15 coupon. So here's the coupon code. You can copy it. Now I can head towards the website of Uber. Book your ride and confirm it. And while you check out, you will get this section for a coupon code. You can apply this and get the certain amount as a discount. Likewise, if you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of copy coupon and visit store. Now you can log into your account, book your ride, and while you check out, you will get this section for promo code. Over there, apply this coupon code and get the discount. Also, make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. You're going to find tons of offers in this page. Likewise, you can also try out these websites as these websites will also provide you tons of coupon codes for Uber. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $150 Uber promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.